Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Carla and thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I will be bringing you some instant cleaning motivation. I had to clean my room, my bathroom, and the kitchen. I did not do anything in the living area because my husband was working on our internet. He was running wires, cables, all this great stuff through the attic, down through the walls. So I did not go in there. I will also be doing a little bit of laundry as well. So just stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, and here is all the stuff my husband took camping. It is still here on his side of the bed. This is my stepson's and that is his. So they got back Monday night, and I mean, I was working Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I worked all 12-hour shifts. I got home at 8, so I really couldn't, clean this up. But yesterday was my first day off this week, and I had a doctor's appointment with my son. We went to the eye doctor, and then we got back, and then we went out on the water. We took the kids out tubing, and my husband worked on the internet. So this hasn't been done. So it is Friday and I'm going to go ahead and work on this. At least the clothes are washed. He put his clothes in the wash this morning before he went to work. So at least that's done, and I can go ahead and fold that up or put it up in just a second. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and see what I'm going to do with this. Alright guys, at this point I wanted to go ahead and vacuum the bedroom, but as you can see my vacuum died. So I went ahead and charged it and I decided to work on the nightstands. But let me talk to you guys about our lamps. So we finally got the lamps. As you can see, they are touch lamps and they look super cute. Every single touch lamp that I googled on the internet were just horrible looking, and I could not find any. And I don't know why I overlooked overstock, but I went ahead and just looked on their website and I found this, and they were the perfect size, the perfect color. I might change out the lampshades just because there's so much white, but I think that they look super nice, and they were only $125, and I think that was a super great deal. But I am so happy, and it looks so pretty, like when it's dark out and the lights are on. The room just looks so like it has like a romantic ambiance, I guess. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some lamps, some touch lamps, I don't know if you're like my husband and you don't like to click the little clicky thing, definitely go check out Overstock. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your You guys, this toothbrush holder was so nasty. I soaked it in this LA's Totally Awesome, and this thing just came right off. I didn't even have to scrub that hard. I just kind of wiped with the paper towel. This thing works amazing. You guys have to try it. Okay, you guys, who is having a hard time finding their cleaning products? So I had stocked up on all my Clorox and my wipes, but I'm running low and I cannot find any Clorox wipes anywhere. So I am using them on the things that I feel like needed the most, which is the bathroom. So I've told everyone not to use my wipes in the kitchen, which that's where I used to use them all the time. But since we can't find them in the stores, I just said, hey, let's just save them and let's save them for the bathroom, because I feel like it needs that type of cleaning product, and I ended up using this Fabuloso because that's all that I can find. I can't find my Clorox bleach, and I do have a little bit of some Lysol bathroom cleaner, but I ended up getting this and I poured it in the toilet, and it does smell good. I don't know really how well it actually will clean, but I have to use what I can find at the stores. Alright guys, it is done. This room is cleaned up. Here is my water. I wanted to share this with y'all. It is apple ginger. This thing tastes so good. I'm liking this brand. I don't even know how it's AHA, I guess. AHA? I don't know. But I think I can only find these at Publix. I can't find them anywhere else. So apple ginger definitely tastes good. And then I want to take you over here. Well, there's really not much here except just all this stuff right here that where I was explaining before how I want it over here, but you know. And then my desk, you guys, this just always gets piled on. I already got onto my husband about all this stuff here. That is all his stuff that he has to go through. This is my stuff that I was going through last night. We are trying to find a better system because I do not like this stuff just piled on. This is where I edit, and I'm also watching, this is a YouTuber, I don't know if you can see that, Life with Casey. Watching her on the monitor as I was eating my lunch here, actually just like maybe 30 minutes ago, but I was watching her. And then I had to restart her over because I missed something because I went back to lunch, or I went back to the kitchen to grab something. So yeah, but yeah, so that is the desk. I need to make sure that, yeah, all this gets taken care of. And then of course this right here, I said this is all returned to Amazon, all of this, I think that too. So yeah, but that is it. I am going to go into the kitchen. I already showed you guys the bathroom, but I'm going to go into the kitchen, which I can hear my son putting up the dishes as I am recording this. My door is shut because he is listening to his phone, his music, but I think he's putting up the dishwasher for me. So let's see if I can get a sneak peek really fast. Yeah, he's listening to something. Josh. Okay, I did not have to do much in the kitchen. My son had already put up the dishes that were in the dishwasher, and then he loaded the dishwasher. So I just had to clean out this pantry. The kids love just emptying these boxes and leaving them in the pantry. So I wanted to go ahead and just give it a quick little organization in there. And then I went ahead and vacuumed, and I did not mop, but I did wipe down some spots on the floor that were sticky. Okay guys, I hope to bring you a kitchen organization video really soon. I am holding on things because I still have stuff coming in the mail and things that I have to go buy. I want to do like an organization like under the sink and basically the whole entire kitchen and the cabinets and rearrange and get rid of a lot of things. I just feel like we have so many small appliances that we do not need. So I hope to do that very soon and share that with y'all because that is super exciting. I love just buying things to organize my home with and make my life more just easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next one.